Fearless here. My name is Monica and today we're in Portugal. It's a beautiful summer day, and on a beautiful summer day one wants to have a really nice salad. One of my all-time salads in Portugal is definitely Salada de Polvo. It's divine. It's absolutely so delicious. You must have it every day should you ever go to Portugal. I spent a lot of time there and I did eat it almost every day, and it always comes different. So now I've designed my own Salada de Polvo because it is summertime and I feel like having one. So I bought about a half a kilo of octopus. Salada de Polvo is octopus, which is quite different to a squid. They both look almost identical. The squid has a backbone and the octopus has no bone. So it's almost like lobster. Very beautiful kind of meat here. So we're gonna just use everything. There's a little bit, this has been used as frozen. We put it in boiling water and then boiled it for about, with vinegar for about 45 minutes. Then we put it in ice water, and now I'm just going to slice it up. It's beautiful. If you never had it, give it a chance. We're just going to slice it all up as thinly as possible. As you can see, the meat is beautiful. It's almost like lobster, I would say. It's a little bit tougher than lobster. But anyway, now we're making the salad, and I'm gonna dry some shallots, tomatoes. I've salted them a little bit before. Got some radishes. You can use anything you like. There's no rule here. Anything you like at all. Green olives. I also have some herbs here. Tomatoes. Mint. And yellow pepper for color. And then we have some cucumbers. So now I have all the ingredients on the vegetables that I would like to in my salad, and now I'm going to make the dressing. And it's very simple. First of all, we're starting off with sugar. And I'm going to use this jar because if I don't use all the dressing, this is fabulous vinaigrette that I can use later on. Just plain vinegar, white vinegar, and olive oil. I'm not putting any salt in there. I will let you know in a minute why. Because I'm going to make something very special. And that is basically, we'll take some garlic, a lot of garlic. And we're chopping the garlic up. And we're adding some salt. That's why I haven't used any salt yet. This is a French old thing. This is a fabulous summer salad. That's all you need. A loaf of bread, a bottle of wine, case of beer. The world looks good. If you enjoyed my video, please push those buttons, do something so I can come back to you. And remember, be fearless in your cooking. See you next time.